Ever battled with a dry scalp, dull hair, or stubborn acne? It's a struggle, isn't it? These common hair and skin issues can be a real thorn in the side, impacting confidence and leaving us searching for solutions. We scour the internet, try countless products, but often the results are far from satisfying. But what if there's a simpler, more natural solution to these problems? A solution that's been around for centuries, yet often overlooked. Well, the solution to these problems might be simpler than you think. Enter castor oil. So, how exactly does one use castor oil before bed? Well, let's dive right into it. The first thing to note is the type of castor oil you're using. It's essential to opt for pure, cold-pressed castor oil. This type has been extracted from the castor bean without heat, thus preserving all the essential nutrients and fatty acids that make it a potent health and beauty aid. Now, onto the application. Whether you're applying it to your scalp for hair growth or to your skin for its anti-aging benefits, the process is pretty much the same. First, pour a small amount of oil into your palms. Then, using your fingertips, gently massage the oil into the desired area. This massaging action is not only relaxing, but it also helps to stimulate blood circulation, enhancing the oil's effectiveness. Here's the part that requires a bit of patience: leaving the oil on. To reap the full benefits of castor oil, it's best to leave it on overnight. This gives the oil ample time to penetrate deeply and work its magic. Come morning, it's time to wash it off. Simply use your regular shampoo for your hair or a gentle cleanser for your skin. And voila! You've just completed your nighttime ritual with castor oil. And there you have it, a simple yet effective bedtime routine with castor oil. Now you might be wondering, what's all the fuss about castor oil? Well, let's delve into the benefits of this underrated elixir. Castor oil is a treasure trove of remarkable properties that can do wonders for your body. Let's start with your crowning glory: your hair. Castor oil is rich in retinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid that nourishes the scalp and fortifies the roots. When applied regularly, it can stimulate hair growth and give you luscious, thick locks. Now who wouldn't want that? Moving on to your skin, castor oil is a fantastic moisturizer. It penetrates deep into the skin, replenishing it with hydration and nutrients. The result? A soft, supple, and glowing complexion. But that's not all. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great ally in your battle against acne. It can soothe inflamed skin and help reduce breakouts. And it's not just about beauty. Castor oil is also known for its health benefits. It's been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments such as constipation and arthritis, thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So, there you have it. Castor oil isn't just a basic oil. It's a versatile and potent natural remedy, brimming with benefits for your hair, skin, and overall health. So, as you can see, castor oil is nature's gift, packed with numerous benefits for your hair and skin. So, are you ready to give castor oil a try? This humble oil is not only affordable but also incredibly versatile. It's like having a mini spa treatment right in your own home. But let's not forget the importance of a patch test. Before you jump in, make sure your skin agrees with it. Remember, beauty doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Good night, and wake up to a healthier skin and hair with castor oil.